Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you all about the visual dictionary. This is not a type of dictionary. You can say that this is a type of book which contain all the information related to science. Now I am going to show the preface. Where is contents? See, introduction, the universe, prehistoric earth, plants, animals, the human body, zoology, etc., etc., etc. till appendix. Now I am going to show you all. Like I have to collect information from the topic the universe. So page number 8, the universe. Now you can say that there are many such topics inside the topic of universe, like galaxies. I am going to read today galaxies, page number 12, galaxy. Now you can say that it contains many type of informations of about all the galaxies from class 6 to 12th. Milky Way, nebulae and star clusters. Now if you have to read about the cars, then we have to go on rail and road. 322 page number. 322 page number. Hmm. 322. See, rail and road. Now whatever you have to know about the rail and road, it is given all things: racing cars, hybrid cars, car tram. Now I have to know about the racing cars, page number 356. Racing cars, 356, 356, 356. Where we have gone? 356 racing cars. Now you can say that there are many racing cars, and part by part it explains us, and it is quite easy because about 80% of the today's generation are interested in racing cars, guns, etc., etc. See, bicycle, anatomy, bicycle, simple bicycles, old bicycles, all type of bicycles. The motorcycle. This is important who want to become the car engineer or bike engineers. Now you can see sea and air, ships of Greece and Rome, the battleship, anatomy of iron ship, modern pistons, modern jettlers one, etc., etc. Now if you want to see the battleship, then I am going to show you 394 page number. 394 battleship. It means लड़ने वाला जहाज, battleship. Frigates and submarines, all things it current information, bullet, sea case, etc. Pioneers of flight, all things it current information. Early monoplanes, whatever you know about this science, it tell you everything. Now let's shift our gravity to add some biology topics, like the human body, page number 208. 208. The human body features, head, body organs, body cells, all it will collect contains information. Like say body features, it contains all the information: head, body organs, body cells. This is the most important part of this science: skeleton, skull, spine, everything, bones and joints, etc., etc. Now let's shift our gravities to add some other topics like physics and chemistry, page number 304. Where is 304? Sorry. Physics and chemistry. The variety of matter, atoms and molecules, the periodic table, chemical reactions, energy, electric and magnetism, light, force and motion, all things include like the variety of matter, atoms and molecules. Now you can say that it contains many informations. Atoms and molecules, all things it contains. it takes us about more deeply to know the facts about the atoms and molecules, the periodic table, which is the most important part of the chemistry, chemical reactions, energy, electricity and magnetism. It contains all the information. So at last I'm going to tell you that this is the visual dictionary book which contain all the information. If you want to know more things about this book, so please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.